Spocket versus Modalyst. Which offers better global supplier networks? This is the question we're tackling today, and I'm going to dive into the features, strengths, and weaknesses of both platforms. Stick around till the end, because I'll share my final thoughts and a recommendation that might surprise you. First things first, Spocket is a popular dropshipping platform known for its extensive global network of suppliers, primarily focused on the US and EU markets. The platform prides itself on its fast shipping times, offering products with delivery speeds that beat many competitors. However, while it does have suppliers in other countries, it's not as comprehensive in its global coverage as you might expect for a platform that promotes itself as global. So, while Spocket does give you solid options, it could be better in regions outside the US and EU. Next thing, let's look at Modalyst. Modalyst claims to have a wider reach in terms of global suppliers. They offer suppliers from the US, Europe, and even Asia, which is an advantage if you're looking for more variety in your products and shipping locations. However, Modalyst's supplier list is a mixed bag. While it includes high-quality suppliers, some are hard to vet and product quality can be inconsistent. If you're serious about customer satisfaction, you'll need to put in the work to vet suppliers thoroughly. The third thing to consider is the ease of use. Spocket makes it relatively easy to browse suppliers by region and shipping times, allowing you to filter suppliers based on your location. This is great for store owners who want to focus on fast delivery and quality products. Modalyst, on the other hand, is a bit more complex when it comes to supplier management. Its interface isn't as user-friendly, and filtering options are limited, which can make finding the right suppliers a bit more time-consuming. The fourth thing to mention is pricing. Both platforms operate on a subscription-based model, but Spocket's pricing is generally more accessible for smaller stores, especially when you're just starting out. Modalyst's pricing tiers are a bit higher, especially if you want to access premium suppliers or international options. That being said, Modalyst does have a free plan, but it's limited in terms of the number of products you can add and the supplier access. Another key aspect to think about is integration. Both Spocket and Modalyst integrate seamlessly with Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, but Spocket has an edge when it comes to integrations with other platforms like Wix and Squarespace. So, if you're running your store on a platform that isn't as widely supported by Modalyst, Spocket might be the better choice. Now, let's be real for a second. While Spocket and Modalyst both have great global networks in their own right, there's always room for improvement, and neither is perfect for every business. They both have their limitations when it comes to supplier vetting, variety in shipping locations, and overall user experience. So, what's the best option for you? After trying both of these platforms myself, I can say they're solid choices if you're building a dropshipping business. But if you're looking for a better alternative for managing a truly global supplier network, one that offers a more seamless experience with even greater support, I've got something better for you. Take advantage of the free trial through the first link in the description. You'll get the best trial and exclusive benefits, which you won't find anywhere else. So, while Spocket and Modalyst have their pros, if you're aiming for a smoother, more efficient dropshipping journey, give this platform a shot. Don't miss out. Click that link now.